What's up everyone? Welcome to Young Studio, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how to do fan yao or body turn. Now this exercise is very good to increase your mobility, okay, and also the flexibility on your waist, your shoulder, your hip, okay, in order to perform a good wushu movement. Now here's a little demonstration how to do fan yao. Now the first fan yao that you saw is the real fan yao, and the second one is the variation of fan yao. Now I will teach you real quick how to do fan yao. Alright, let's start with ready position, okay? This is something that you always have to keep in mind when you about to do a move in wushu. You always have to show that you are ready, alright? So, ready, facing forward, your eyes locked to the front, and then, alright, 1, 2, open your leg, shoulder width apart, alright, 1, 2, 3, cross your leg, 4, look to the floor, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, we're going to try to arch our body, okay? So arch basically means like this, alright? Okay. So when we arch, we're looking forward, okay? Like this. You guys can see that, alright? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, alright, and then we arch our body while we open, right? our hands have to be open, alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, looking forward, lock your eyes on the floor, up, and then spin, alright? So this is the set view, okay? Alright? So you arch your body, okay? Alright? So you guys got that? Okay. So as you guys can see that moves requires good flexibility on your waist, okay, your back, your hips, okay, waist, back, hips, shoulder. Now if you keep doing that move, okay, I believe that it will give you a good mobility, okay, in order to perform a good wushu movement, because in many wushu movement you require a very good mobility, okay, what we call flexibility turn into mobility, okay. Now when it comes to flexibility, you can do something like bridge, something like split, but when you want to do that move, you have to keep doing it, okay. You have to try to use your flexibility, you have to control your flexibility, turn it into mobility. Now this move is great, okay. This fan yao going to give you, if you keep practicing it, it will give you a good mobility in order to perform a better wushu movement. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's fan yao tutorial video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something from it, and hope you guys entertain as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.